Stop treating AI like magic and start taking advantage of its intelligent superpowers. Most developers think building smart apps requires a PhD, but they are missing the simplest trick in the book. We are bridging the gap between raw data and actual reasoning using the Google's Gemini ecosystem. I'm stripping away the jargon to show you the secret ingredient that makes your apps actually think with precision, no hallucinations. Stick around because I'll be showing you how to obtain your free Gemini AI API to 10x your app's intelligence. Let's get to it. Module 5. Infusing intelligence with Gemini and Firebase ML or Firebase Machine Learning. So, what is Generative AI? Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can create new, original content. Unlike traditional AI, which analyzes or classifies existing data, generative AI is trained to produce new text, images, or other media by understanding the patterns in its training data. It is the technology behind tools that can write an essay, compose a song, or design an image from a simple prompt. The role of Gemini in generative AI. Gemini is a family of multimodal large language models, or LLMs, developed by Google. The term multimodal is a crucial distinction. It means Gemini is not just limited to text, it can understand, operate across, and combine different types of data, including images, audio, and text. This makes it a powerful and versatile tool for developers who want to build applications with sophisticated AI-powered features that go beyond simple text-based conversations. Getting started. Setting up the Gemini API. To use Gemini in Firebase application, you must first enable the Gemini API in your Google Cloud project. This involves setting up the necessary permissions and securely obtaining an API key. You will learn how to configure your Firebase project to communicate with the Gemini service, ensuring your API key is not exposed in client-side code. This setup is the foundation for all Gemini-powered features you will be building. Implementing AI features with Gemini. Prompt engineering. This is the art and science of crafting effective prompts to guide a large language model. It's a critical skill because the quality of the model's output is highly dependent on the quality of the prompt input. You will learn best practices for designing clear, specific, and contextual prompts that minimize ambiguity and lead to more accurate, useful responses. So, this simply means quality in, quality out, or garbage in, garbage out in relation to the kind of prompt you feed the model. This section will cover techniques like providing examples, specifying the desired format, and using constraints to steer the model's output. Text generation with Gemini. This section will focus on practical applications of Gemini's text generation capabilities. We will explore how to build features that can create a chatbot, that is, develop a conversational AI that can respond to user queries in a real-time chat interface. Summarize text. Automatically generate a concise summary of a long article or document, which is useful for content previews or quick reads. Generate creative content, that is, create a tool that helps users brainstorm ideas, write stories, or compose marketing copy based on a few keywords. Multimodal generation and vision integration. Building on text generation, this section will dive into the multimodal aspects of Gemini. You will learn how to combine text with images to create more intelligent applications. Image captioning, that is, automatically generate a descriptive text for an uploaded image. Visual question answering, allow users to ask questions about an image and receive a detailed, accurate response. Advanced content creation, build an application that can generate a story or a poem based on a user's text prompt and an accompanying image. So, practical applications of Firebase ML. An overview of Firebase ML Kit. Firebase ML Kit provides a set of pre-trained machine learning APIs that you can use directly in your applications. These APIs are designed to be easy to use and can handle common machine learning tasks without requiring you to build your own models. It acts as an API layer, bringing the power of Google's machine learning technologies to your app. On-device versus cloud-based APIs. On-device APIs are optimized for speed and offline use. They run directly on users' device, making them ideal for real-time applications where data privacy is a concern. The processing happens locally without sending data to a server. Cloud-based APIs. These leverage Google's powerful cloud infrastructure to provide high accuracy and support more complex tasks. They require an internet connection but can handle more computationally intensive operations. Key Firebase Machine Learning Kit APIs and how they can be used to add intelligence to your apps, like text recognition. This API can read and extract text from images, useful for digitalizing receipts or scanning business cards. Image labeling. This API can identify and categorize the content of an image, perfect for building a photo search feature. Barcode scanning. This API can quickly read and process data from barcodes and QR codes, which is essential for e-commerce or inventory management apps. After exploring the capabilities and possibilities that come with generative AI, we'll proceed to build a real-life project that embodies the key points we just uncovered in this video. We'll be building an agentic chatbot app that can plan trips with human-like conversation at lightning-fast response speeds, among other amazing features. Do well to support our efforts with a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the practical hands-on video. Cheers!